everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. I'm back with another video on how to log into Capitalone Auto Loan. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser to begin. In the address box at the top of the screen, type in www.capitalone.com and press enter. You'll end up in the main homepage of Capitalone. To log into your auto loan account, you'll need to know your credentials for your Capitalone. So go ahead and type in your username into the username text box appearing at the top of the screen. Make sure to type it in correct and head over to the password field. Type in your password. Make sure to double check your password before moving on if you'd like to log in without any kind of a problem. So click on this little eye icon at the right corner of the password box, which will help you reveal your password. In case you don't remember your username or your password, you can click on Forgot Username or Password link and follow the instructions to look for your username or to reset to a new password. If you'd like the system to remember your username so that next time you try to log into this account, you won't have to type in your username again and again. But make sure to leave this Remember Me box unchecked if you are using a public device or a shared mobile device. If you've not enrolled for online access yet, click on the Setup Online Access link beneath the Sign In button and follow the instructions. Finally, after typing in your username and your password and you're ready to log into your account, click on the Sign In button, and that is how you'll be able to log into your Capitalone Auto Loans account quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.